Hey, what's up, guys? I just got from work. Today's the first day of the Detroit Riverwalk, and I'm going out there with my two friends. I'm about to leave out right now. We are super late. I got off work late, so I ain't even kill but don't push. So that's my old car, and I hate having to come into the garage to go in there just to get scrunchies for my hair. It's so annoying, man.
Fresh boy latte. Give you a choice. They tell you the camera or a latte. Which one you choose?
I'm choosing my $2,000 camera.
I'ma break your $2,000 camera.
He said you ain't even worth $2,000.
Ah, you got me messed up, dude.
People, parents, they got kids raising kids.
And then McDonald's.
So now they 15 with a 21-year-old hairdo, so you don't fucking know the difference. They wearing all these nice tight little clothes, so you don't know. That's about right. We was going up, you know she was 14. She looked like she was 14.
Yeah, that's all.
What's wrong with these guys? they buy stuff and not buying enough for me?
Boss life.
It's called job, baby, job, baby.
What are these you don't lick?
Yeah. Bombo clad. Well, I my youth. Yo.
What up, Lord?
Got
Got one thing to say to the females. If you have a man, a boyfriend, a man, don't be out here in public with the booty shorts on and all that sundress bull crap. If you have a man, keep your ass at home with your man. So, cause when I come talk to your ass, you don't have no man.
You know what's gonna happen? You're gonna get your heart broken like that too. Yeah, I meet one girl you really like. Yeah, I stop cheating for a little while, like you always do. I mean, no, you never do that.
You say, oh man, that's what you already have.
No, but he never stopped cheating though, that's the thing.
Oh, hell no.
He gonna stop cheating. No, this girl gonna make him stop cheating.
Hell no.
And then he gonna really like her, and then somebody else gonna come in it. Somebody gonna come in and beat her cheeks off, and then he gonna be sick.
You gonna have to leak his ass.
Yeah, she go, no, not like that.
Yeah, for sure, man.
He don't really feel too bad about that one.
But the next
Doing it for the vlog. These dudes try to talk shit.
Remember the little big ass? They made these big ass things for niggas. And they gonna throw all them niggas away, throw them in jail.
So apparently it was a fight down here. Alante almost got his head bust open.
I ain't almost getting done. Y'all already know me, vlog. That's how we doing, man. I don't care talk about me. I'm too grown.
Alante almost got his head bust open.
I just still gonna go down with him.
Oh God. Why they pay yours up about that?
Doing it for the vlog. Doing it for the vlog, you know what I'm saying? It was crazy at the
Jesus take
at the what's it called?
Literally.
Greek town fights and all that. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, vlog. It's crazy as heck.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm trying to figure out how I'll make it to work tomorrow. I need GPS for that.
Always tripping talking about that food.